let's take a peek at Benchmade.
I found a lot of joy.
Let's have a look at some of the marine knives.
The fish root, it's like I gotta like shake hands with the ocean kind of thing.
Nice texturing on that.
It forces you to connect with nature. You're sitting there waiting for a wave. Fishing, you're sitting there waiting for a fish.
Those are some nice filleting knives. Super lightweight, really grippy. You know, Benchmade's not really known for their kitchen knives, but these are really cool looking. Yeah, good contouring. Feel really nice in the hand. I really like the way they got the holes go straight through the handle. I saw these a couple years ago at the Overland Expo. That just feels really nice. Beautiful handles. Here's a look at the bigger guy. It's like a cleaver. Really comfortable in the hand. Look at this awesome kitchen knife set. Got some pretty sweet blades right here. Check out these red thumb studs. That is a hefty knife. Check out the coating on there. Almost looks like rhino lining. Check out the accents on that. Sapphire, lightweight, thin. That should be coming out this year. Look at that pocket clip. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but they have inset lining that helps keep it really thin. Check it out, man. So thin and so light. There is another version with copper accents on the jimping. Look down in there, you can see copper in there as well. And the pocket clip and on the pivot. That is a cool color combination. Check it out, guys. Mini Osborne denim.
Who would know?
Copper accents. Look at the denim on that. Beautiful.
Sorry about that.
Let's look at the 491. Beautiful red handles. Gorgeous again, and I think there's a blue one.
Jen's on it. Jen, can you?
Gorgeous blade design.
It's supposed to be over. Yeah.
Guys, check out this Dason. Cerakote blue titanium. Canvas micarta.
They're kind of everywhere. So
That thing is cool. And this comes with a Scout leather sheath so you can carry it horizontally. Check out the Bedlam marbled carbon fiber crush hilt. Look at that blade. Bronze accents, thumb studs, full liners. Beautiful looking blade. Over at the hunting section, check out this little neat fixed blade. Loving this other fixed blade right here. Super lightweight. Love that color. Big old finger troll in the front. Look at these grips. Beautiful accents on the rivets. Good pommel. A little bit of contouring on that grip. High vis orange. And yet another gorgeous fixed blade. Look at the handles on that. Beautiful lining there. Nice palm swells. Nice jimping. Yep, they got some reference jimping in the front in case you get into something and you need to reference where your finger's at. Gorgeous.